Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about Dividend Payout Ratio Explained and how to spot safe dividends step by step. First, Dividend Payout Ratio shows how much of a company's earnings are paid out to shareholders as dividends. In simple words, it helps investors understand whether a company is sharing profits in a healthy way or paying too much. To calculate it, we use a simple formula. Dividend Payout Ratio equals dividends per share divided by earnings per share, multiplied by 100. Another way to calculate it is total dividends divided by net income, multiplied by 100. For example, if a company earns $5 per share and pays $2 per share as dividend, then the payout ratio will be 2 divided by 5, multiplied by 100, which equals 40%. This means the company pays 40% of its earnings as dividends and keeps the remaining 60% for business growth, debt repayment, or future needs. Now, to read the payout ratio correctly, a very low payout ratio, such as 0 to 30%, usually means the company has more room to grow its dividend. A payout ratio between 30 and 60% is often considered healthy and balanced. However, if the payout ratio reaches 60 to 80%, investors should review it more carefully. And if it goes above 80%, the dividend may become risky because the company is paying out most of its earnings. Next, to spot a safer dividend, check whether the company has consistent profits, stable or growing cash flow, a moderate payout ratio, low debt, a long dividend history, and enough earnings to cover the dividend. On the other hand, be careful if the payout ratio is above 100%, earnings are falling, debt is rising, dividends are being paid despite weak cash flow, or the company has a history of frequent dividend cuts. These can be warning signs that the dividend may not be sustainable. However, remember that a safe payout ratio depends on the industry. For example, utilities and REITs may normally have higher payout ratios than fast-growing companies. So, always compare the company with others in the same industry. Finally, the main takeaway is that a lower or moderate payout ratio often suggests a safer dividend, but investors should always check earnings quality, cash flow, debt level, and industry context before making any decision. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.